Guys, how to get that white outline to make your thumbnails pop in Canva. So what you do is I'm going to delete that and I'm going to duplicate the photo that you want, and then you make it slightly bigger because that's going to be the background. Then you edit the photo and adjust the settings. So you need maximum brightness, maximum contrast. You'll see as I go along, you want no shadows. Oh, actually, let's see. Less shadows. Whites have got to be on 100. Blacks, see, go to 0. Now you've got it. Bada bing, bada boom. Then you can go like that. Position. Forward. Bada bing, bada boom. Hope you like this tutorial. Give it a like, share, and thumbs up. And if you want to get a Builderall, click the link below.